Hey YouTube, this is Forever Blackbird coming to you with another video. This is a quick video just basically of some of the earrings I've done in 2020. Us being in this pandemic and everything, I picked up a new hobby and I actually love it. So these are just a few earrings. I hope you enjoy. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Alright, talk to y'all later. And once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, talk to y'all later.